As women approach 40, our bodies start to go through a lot of changes, and one of the toughest adjustments can be the shift in our metabolism and digestion. It's like our bodies have become masterful at holding onto extra weight, and no matter what we try, it just seems to stick around. But what if I told you there's a simple, daily ritual that can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and revitalized? It's called the gelatin trick. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to notice a real difference in how you feel, from your energy levels to your overall sense of well-being. My friend, who's in her late 40s, swears by the gelatin trick, and I've seen the transformation in her. She looks and feels amazing. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin to support your digestive health, and when you do it right, it can be a total game changer. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description below, where you'll find a comprehensive guide to getting started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.